Do you know why people fail? Why do so many New Year resolutions fail? It's simply because we have decided that January 1st is a magical number or a magic date where we are going to toss our old habits, begin cold turkey. But this is very dishonoring to your body. Create systems and habits over time. And then you expect yourself to get rid of those systems and habits at the strike of midnight on January 1st. Now, is it possible for somebody to do it? Absolutely, it is. But the statistics are not favorable. And so I made a system in which instead of starting in January of 2024, you and I are going to start in December of 2023. So when 2024 rolls around, you are 1/3 of the way through this financial goal.